must have seen the first version of the ventilator from our previous design of the ventilator. The second design, which we have taken input from a lot of doctors. A lot of the modes have been added here, and that will be explained as the video goes on.
So modes like pressure control, we have tidal pressure here. So in the volume control mode, we have a tidal volume here. We can adjust the volume as per the doctors or the patient's need. So synchronized is nothing but we synchronize with the patient's breath. Like if the patient is breathing, we detect whether the patient is inhaling or exhaling, and we support them in breathing. So I'll just so this is FiO2, which is the percentage of oxygen that has to be delivered to the patient. Tidal pressure is the maximum pressure. Rate of breathing is every minute how many times the patient has to breathe, and PEEP is the minimum pressure that has to be maintained for the alveoli in the lungs to be opened. I is to E is nothing but inhale to exhale ratio, and this is the maximum volume. If the pressure is not met at this particular volume, it would notify us. Just turn it on. We do not have the oxygen supply as of now connected, so as of now we will not be having any oxygen connected here. This is the oxygen pressure regulator. From here we'll connect a hose to the backside of the ventilator. So this is the inlet valve, and this is the exhaust valve. Exhaust valve, we have a flow controlled output here. So this is the backside of the ventilator. So this is a whole ventilator setup. Doesn't have any solenoid valves. It has everything controlled by internal and specially designed valves, all manufactured in India. So first of all, we have last time we had a problem with volume and pressure delivery. So the problem was that we had a chamber piston that was built for 600 ml. As of now, we have built 150 ml chambers with dual piston mechanism. So for continuously we can mix and we can pump the inhale here. And here we have pressure sensor, and we have the flow rate monitored here. So this is the next version.